Hello guys, how are you doing today? So, in today's video, we are going to create our first Canvas app within 10 minutes, okay? So, let's get started. First, we have to create our data structure, right? And I've done it for us, okay? So, here we have the column names and the data type. And our app is gonna be a task management app, okay? The data source is gonna be SharePoint. So the first thing we need to do is open up our Power Apps environment, click here, and then access SharePoint. Okay. Once you are here in the SharePoint environment, you're going to create a site because we need to create a site in order to create a list. Okay. So let's click here, team site, and then standard team. Okay. Let's use this template and let's give this site a name. So I'm going to leave it like test 6 because I've already done my site, okay? But like you guys can leave like task management site or something like this, okay? Next. So if you want everyone in your organization to see it, you can leave it as a public, but I'm going to leave it as a private, okay? Only the people I give access to can see it. Nice. So let's leave English, create site. So our site is creating and we can add members. So you can like search yourself or someone else, whatever, okay? Just to create it. I'm gonna leave because I've already created mine. Nice. So once you've done it, you're gonna access the site. If you can't see it, just open up this icon because you're gonna see your site over here. Okay, nice. So let's wait a little bit. We have our site and let's create our list. Okay, so just click here, new, and then list. And then this pop-up is gonna open. We have 4 options, like you can create a SharePoint list from a CSV file, from an Excel spreadsheet, from an existing list, but in today's like tutorial, we are going to create from a blank list. Okay, you're gonna give this list a name, so task. Let's save it, like create, and then nice. So let's start creating our columns. So in the default of this SharePoint list, we have title, so we don't need to create this column over here, right? We're gonna use the default one. So let's start. Description, it's a multi-line text data type, so just copy it here. Description. Oh, sorry. Click here, add column, and multi-line text. Give it a name, and we are not gonna leave like any of these checked, so we just save. Let's return responsible for the task. So let's add the column. That's a person or group. Let's give it a name. Let's also show the profile photo. Save. Let's create a status column. That's a choice column, right? So the values are new, in progress, complete. Oops, completed. Nice. And for example, we don't want to leave any default value because we need to select. Okay, save. Priority. So let's create a column. It's gonna be a choice as well. The values are gonna be low, medium, and high. Low, medium, and high. And we are gonna save it. So let's create the due date. I'm not gonna include like time because I don't think it's necessary. And I'm not gonna leave any default value for this one as well. So just save. Nice. So these columns over here, like task ID, SharePoint is going to create for us like automatically. Okay. The same for created by, created date, modified date as well. So let's leave it here. So we created successfully our SharePoint list. Let's now create our Power Apps Canvas app. Okay, so we need to return to our Power Apps and then click in create and create from our SharePoint list, right? So start from a SharePoint list to create a 3-screen app. So once we click it and connect this app to the SharePoint, a 3-screen app is going to be created for us. Okay, so let's wait a little bit and then click here, choose our site we've just created, and then the SharePoint list desk. So it's now loading and let's see the magic. So our app was created, right, with the 3 screens, the browse one, detail, and edit. But as we can see, the gallery is empty because we don't have any data in our database. So let's create one. Click over here to preview the app and then in this button and let's create a task. So finish the homework, homework until no 20 because you need to. Okay, and who's responsible for it? You can see like that the claims value is over here, but we want the display name value. So we just leave it here, click in the responsible card, it's gonna be locked. We just go to advanced and unlock the properties. Nice. So we just go to find items over here, which is gonna open up the data card value, fields, edit, and change from claims to display name. So now we have the display name value. Nice. Let's assign it to myself. The status is gonna be new. Priority is gonna be medium, and the due date is gonna be in the 20th. And I'm not gonna attach anything for now. So let's save. And nice. We've just added one record for our apps. If we can go over here and we refresh it, you're gonna see it's now populated. Let's see. It's here. Nice. So we have our record over here. Nice. So Let's save this app and publish. Let's save over here. It's gonna require us to give a name. So we just give it a name, task management app. Save it. And once it's saved, we're gonna publish. So publish this version, and nice. So we just go over here, open up another Power Apps tab to run our app. Okay, let's go to apps, and it's gonna be over here soon. Over here. So we just click this button to preview and play the app. Let's see, it's not launching. Nice. So we have our app. We have the to allow them to access the SharePoint list. It's now working. So if I go to see the details, it's now working. I can edit as well some data, like it's now in progress. I can save it, and we are done. Nice. So thank you guys for watching this video, and congratulations for creating your first app. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how we can edit this app, change the theme, for example, the colors, add some other columns, add some functionalities. Okay? See you guys.